Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the T-fal Experience Nonstick Cookware Set, a 12-piece collection promising to revolutionize your kitchen experience. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and user-friendly set of pots and pans, you've come to the right place. We'll be breaking down everything this set has to offer, from its innovative features to its everyday performance. Let's start with the core of any good non-stick cookware, the interior coating. T-fal boasts a titanium non-stick interior, which they claim provides long-lasting performance. In practice, this means food should release easily, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. This is crucial for anyone who struggles with sticking or scrubbing, and it allows for cooking with confidence, knowing that delicate foods won't tear apart. This 12-piece set is quite comprehensive, aiming to cover all your basic cooking needs. You get 2 fry pans, an 8-inch and a 10.25-inch, perfect for everything from searing to sautéing. There's also a unique one-egg wonder pan, designed for that perfect single fried egg, though it's important to note this specific pan is not induction safe. For sauces and simmering, the set includes a 1-quart and a 3-quart covered saucepan. And for larger batches, like soups, stews, or pasta, there's a substantial 5-quart stockpot. To round out the set, it comes with a stainless steel steamer insert and 2 nylon cooking utensils. This variety ensures you have the right tool for most recipes. Now, let's talk about T-fal's Heat Mastery system. This is a clever combination of features designed to ensure perfectly cooked meals. One of the standout elements is the Thermo-Spot Technology. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a functional indicator. The center of the pan features a ring that turns a solid red color when the pan has reached the optimal preheating temperature. This is a game changer for home cooks, as proper preheating is essential for even cooking and for achieving that desirable sear or flavor seal. No more guessing if your pan is hot enough. Beyond the Thermo-Spot, the cookware features an even heat base, which T-fal states prevents hot spots. This means consistent cooking across the entire surface of the pan, leading to more reliable and enjoyable results. When it comes to the user experience, comfort and safety are paramount. The T-fal Experience set features comfortable handles designed for a sturdy and secure grip. This is vital when maneuvering hot pans, especially when they're full of food. The set also includes vented glass lids, which offer visibility into your cooking process, allowing you to monitor progress without lifting the lid and losing heat or moisture. These lids also retain heat and moisture effectively, which is beneficial for braising and simmering. Versatility is a key selling point for this cookware. It's designed to be oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to seamlessly transfer your creations from the stovetop to the oven, perfect for finishing dishes or baking. Furthermore, this set is compatible with all cooktops, including Induction, which is a huge advantage as Induction is becoming increasingly popular. And for cleanup, the entire set is dishwasher safe, making meal preparation and post-meal chores significantly more manageable. T-fal also backs this set with a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind with your investment. However, no product is without its potential drawbacks. While the non-stick coating is a major plus, its longevity can vary depending on usage and care. It's essential to follow T-fal's recommendations for using non-metal utensils and avoiding abrasive cleaners to maximize its lifespan. As mentioned, the one-egg wonder pan is not induction compatible, which might be a minor inconvenience if you primarily use an induction cooktop. Also, while the handles are comfortable, some users might prefer a more substantial or ergonomic feel, though this is largely a matter of personal preference. Overall, the T-fal Experience Non-Stick Cookware Set is a compelling option for home cooks looking for a comprehensive, user-friendly, and versatile collection. The combination of durable non-stick, effective heat indicators, and a broad range of included pieces makes it a great value. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your existing cookware, this set offers a lot of functionality to make cooking more enjoyable and less of a chore. Link in the description.